I look so scary. Hey guys, it's Vicky. So this video is gonna be a little bit different to what you usually see on my channel. I don't know, I thought I'd record what we're gonna be doing this weekend, and that is camping. Yeah, we're gonna go camping because it was Mason's birthday this week and it's a long weekend. So we're gonna go celebrate that, and then also it was Valentine's Day too this week. So I don't know, we're just gonna go and celebrate all of this, and I'm super excited because we're gonna be going to Joshua Tree. I've never actually been camping. I've been to Joshua Tree, but I haven't been camping before, so this is my first time doing that. Mason made us breakfast, which was lovely. So we had some breakfast, some coffee, and then we are getting ready to go. The doggies, I'm really excited because the doggies are also gonna be going with us. And by the way guys, I wanted to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I feel so excited to have reached 1,000. I know that for some folks it'd be like, what, who cares, 1,000 subscribers when there are people out there that have like 10 million, but I mean, it means the world to me. I put so much work and so much effort into every one of my videos, and the fact that there are 1,000 people out there who are following me and like what I do, it feels really nice and I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go finish getting ready, finish packing, and then we're gonna hit the road, probably grab some lunch, and I will catch up with you guys later on. We are officially in the car. We are ready to start driving soon. We just stopped by to grab something to eat right now at our local Costco.
Love it.
Mason's having a chicken bake and I'm doing the salad. We are finally on the road. And we are in very slow traffic because apparently there was a pretty bad accident, and so the time to Joshua Tree has actually doubled. You want to say hi, Mason?
Hey guys, Mason here with the traffic report. Good luck right now here on the 60 East, going towards San Bernardino. I'm Ginger Chan with Kiss FM in the Pepsi cockpit.
Help us! Hey guys, so it is the next morning, and hi! We didn't even vlog yesterday because it was just hot. Oh, hi Ozzy. So we didn't even vlog yesterday. He's very curious about the camera. We did not even vlog yesterday because traffic was just bad because there was a major accident on the freeway, like I think I mentioned, and we ended up getting here super late. It took us like 5.5 hours, whereas it would usually be 2.5, so it was really bad. But we got here safe. We got to see some stars at night. I didn't record that. Hopefully I can get some of that tonight. But right now we're right here and we're having breakfast. We slept in the truck. We have our camping bags. Wait, camping bags? Is that what they're called? Sleeping bags. Sleeping bags. And we're making breakfast. Well, let me show you. How are you feeling?
Feeling pretty good. It was really cold last night.
So we made some toast. We have the grill thingy over there. Some coffee on the French press, which is hiding over there. We've got some neighbors over there. Hi! Peekaboo! Ha ha ha! We're gonna finish having breakfast right now, and then we're gonna clean up and get ready and go for a walk or explore the park, see what there is to do. So.
Captain Morgan, only the best of times.
Why did I marry him? It's like they were put here by people, except they weren't. Ooh, this reminds me a little bit of Death Valley. These sort of like...
Do you want to climb?
No, I'm good. I like living. Yeah. I don't know about that. Not today. Oh my god, look at this little sort of cave in there. It looks like someone or something. Let's see if we could get a shot of this. It almost looks like a nest, but I'm not sure. So I think what we're gonna do right now is we are going to head to another spot. There's like a cactus garden. Then we're gonna go back to the campground, set up, and make dinner.
Yellow Panther.
Non-friendly flies. That's a little scary. We have these little cactus thingamabobs that are called cholas. Oh, choya, sorry. We've been pronouncing it wrong all this time. Ugh.
Double L.
Choya. Oh, that's right. I didn't see the double L. We came, we saw. It's pretty cool. There's a little trail for hiking down that way. But I'm too lazy. We are back on our campsite and we have all the food out. We've set up a bit. The doggies just had their dinner. Well, Charlie did because he is forever a hungry boy. And we're gonna wait a little bit until it gets a little darker for us to do some barbecuing.
We got a trip.
And meanwhile, we have lots and lots of snacks. So yeah, we're enjoying some watermelon right now. It's been a good day. By the way, this is the Cottonwood campground. I highly recommend it. Look at that. There is some water over there. Whoop.
Restrooms right down the...
Restrooms are like just a few footsteps away behind those bushes back there. Picnic table, campfire included. Super nice. Only $15 a night. It's nothing plus the park fee, which you pay once for 7 days. So we're just cooking now. We're making some corn.
Ozzy's just sleeping. Hi, Ozzy.
And here we are, watching the romantical sunset. While we, or right before, we have dinner. So cute. We have some Chardonnay in there. Some Masonay.
Hi.
And some Vicky.
I'll prep the campfire.
He did. He prepped the campfire. It's all ready for us to roast some marshmallows and make s'mores later. All right, let's eat, baby. It is 8 a.m. in the morning. We're just making some breakfast and we're gonna leave in a bit. Yay! It was fun last night. We fell asleep under the stars and it was really, really cold by the time we woke up. We fell asleep on the picnic table, looking up. Yeah. Charlie, say good morning. Hi. Good morning, Ozzy. Here we have our open-faced PB&Js. Heating up on the pan with some butter. And some almond milk over there. Trying to make water boil right now so that we can make some French press coffee. I got this for Mason for Valentine's Day. We are on our way home. We just made a really quick stop by the shopping outlets on the way home. Got a little bit of coffee. We're hanging out in the truck right now. And yeah, we're gonna be going home. So yeah, bye! Feeding the puppies peanut butter because they just love it. Yummy babies. Here, you want some? Charlie has it inside his nostrils. I'm not sure how it got in there. I didn't do that.